see some pictures of water pollution. Any chemical, biological or physical change in water quality that has a harmful effect on living organism or makes water unsuitable for desired usage. According to the definition of World Health Organization, foreign materials either from natural or other sources are contaminated with water supplies and may be harmful to life. Because of their toxicity, reduction of normal oxygen level of water, aesthetically unsuitable effects and spread of epidemic diseases. So, water pollution may be a point source or non-point source. Point source pollution from a discrete location like a factory or sewer pipe. Non-point pollution from many places spread over a large area, such as when snow melt runoff picks up pollutants along its path. So, next, causes of water pollution. About 40% of death worldwide are caused by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into the rivers or some water bodies. Noise also causes anxiety, stress reaction and fright. So, causes of water pollution means organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharges into the river. The effects of water pollution are not only devastating to the people but also to animals, fish and birds. Polluted water is unsuitable for drinking, recreation and agriculture and industry. So, inorganic pollutant, organic pollutant, biological pollutant, these are the pollutants of water pollution. Inorganic pollutant, metals like, then organic pollutants, then biological pollutants. Criteria for drinking water. Specific characters by which drinking water may be judged. Chemical properties, dissolved oxygen, pH level, hardness, total dissolved solids, toxic substances, other pollutants, nitrogen chlorides and trace organics. So, these are the criteria for drinking water. Guidelines for drinking water quality. The World Health Organization published guidelines for drinking water quality. Implementation ensures safety of drinking water supplies. Then acceptability aspects, microbiological aspects, chemical aspects, radiological aspects. Chemical parameters of water, salinity, pH, alkalinity, dissolved oxygen, ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, chlorine, hydrogen sulfide. These are the chemical parameters of water. Salinity, pH, alkalinity, dissolved oxygen, ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, chlorine and hydrogen sulfide. Physical, chemical and biological properties of water quality, organoleptic properties, acidity, alkalinity and hardness, solids, fluorides, chlorides, sulfates, nitrates and iron, biological water quality, heavy metals, radioactive substances and pesticides. So, physical properties of water, temperature, color, odor, turbidity and electrical conductivity, these are the physical properties of water. So, these pictures clearly show the effects of water pollution on animals and birds. Effects on animals. death of aquatic animals, and disruption of food chain causes some diseases, destruction of the ecosystem. Then effects on animals means first death of aquatic animals like fish, turtles and water birds in the aquatic system. Then disturbances of the food chain is another problem. It causes some disease to the animals and birds. Destruction of ecosystem. Diseases caused by drinking contaminated water, swimming in polluted water, contact with chemically polluted water. These are the causes. Preventing water pollution. How to prevent water pollution? Conserve water by turning off the tap. Don't throw paints and oils in water channels. Use environment friendly household products such as washing powder, household cleaning agents, etc. Take great care not to overuse pesticide and fertilizer. While using the pesticide and fertilizer, to be very conscious. Don't throw litter into the rivers, lakes or oceans. Don't throw plastics into the water bodies. Help clean up and litter you see and beaches or in rivers, lakes. Make sure it is safe to collect the litter and put in a nearby dustbin. Suspended solid particles and inorganic materials can be removed by the use of filters. Use of biological filters and processes can naturally degrade the organic waste material. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.